Hi, my name is Megan Matson, and I'm here to talk to you about the tech tool Mentimeter. This tool allows you to create interactive presentations, workshops, and meetings by asking questions and engaging your students, your staff, or even your adult learners. So let's get started. So once you sign into your account, this is what your homepage would look like. You have your presentations. They give you some templates that you can utilize. If you want to upgrade for a cost, you can do that as well. If you want to create a branding and a color and a look to what you're doing, you can do that as well. And then there's the help, which is great. So you can integrate this into PowerPoint. That comes at a cost. So if you want to do that, you can click here and they teach you how to do that as well. But let me show you what the free and the basic offer. So basically I came into here and you go up and you can create the template. I just chose to kind of go rogue, but you can create one of these if you prefer. You choose your theme and I chose Explore and Configure. So how do you want the voting to go, the pacing, how do you want it to be seen? And you can kind of go through this and do as you please with the information you go. Share and export. So if you want to export this, you want to give them a code, they give you kind of all those options to go with this as well. And then if you want to have Q&A slides, enable questions for the audience. So again, you can get creative within this program. So the first thing is the first question, which is how did you feel after watching Every Child Needs a Champion? You go into type, and I chose word cloud, but there's multiple options here. And what I would do is I'd hit present, and the student would go into menti.com and use the code 40292. So we would type it over here, 40292, and I'd hit submit. And I type in the word. So how did I feel? I felt engaged, I felt happy, and I felt inspired. And I hit submit as the student. And then I go back over to here, and there they popped up. So then we have our next question. Who said seek first to understand as opposed to understood? So as a student, I would see this, and I would choose, it's Stephen Covey, so I would choose that, and I'd hit submit. And then I'd go right back over here to my blog and I'd see the answer. And I could see that one student has participated. And then I could show the answer and I could see that I got it right. So then we can go back to our home page and kind of see. So this is a really great tech tool to use if you want to engage your students and you want to get creative within your lesson. I would definitely use this and I'm excited to see where it can go. I think that paying for the cost is something that you'd have to work into to definitely utilize it within your PowerPoint slides. But they have different offerings for that, some for education, some of your teams. But again, I would definitely use this and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.